Hello guys, welcome to the Doubtlet. So in this video, we are gonna learn how to find the distance between 2 points in 3 dimension. So here 3-dimensional coordinates are given of point P1 and P2. So suppose this is XYZ plane, X-axis, Y-axis, and this is Z-axis. So suppose this is the point P1 and this is the point P2 in free space. So if we will draw a straight line between these point P1 and P2, then the distance between these 2 points is D. So we will use the distance formula here. So if the coordinates of P1 are x1, y1, z1, and the coordinates of P2 are x2, y2 and z2, then to find the distance D, what we need to do? We need to use this formula, that is x2 minus x1 whole square, y2 minus y1 whole square, plus z2 minus z1 whole square, and we need to find the under root of this. So this is the distance formula. So after putting the values of, so we know that x1 comma y1 comma z1 is given as 1, 4, 2, and x2, y2, z2 is given as 3, 1, 8. So by substituting the respective values of x1, y1, z1 and x2, y2, z2, we can write this as 3 minus 1 whole square plus 1 minus 4 whole square plus 8 minus 2 whole square, and we need to find the under root of this to find the distance. So on solving, the value of D can be written as, this is 2 square, so it will be 4, this will become minus 3 square, it will become 9, this will become 6 square, so it will become 36, and we have to take the under root. So this is 49 under root. So the distance between them, the point P1 and P2 is 7 units. And we have to write this answer in this box. So here we have to write the 7 and we have to type the exact answer. So since the square root has been solved, that's why we will write 7 here. Now I will just take you to my website that I have made a calculator in which if you will just input all the points, that is P1 and P2, and you will get a detailed step-by-step solution. So guys, this is the landing page of my website, that is doubtlet.com, and this is the calculator to find the distance between any 2 points in 3D. So here what we will do, we will just input the point P1 and P2. So P1 is given as 1, 4, 2 and P2 is given as 3, 1, 8. So in the formatted user input display here, we will check our inputs, that 1, 4, 2 and 3, 1, 8, that we have just made correct input. And if we will click on the calculate button, we will get the answer. So answer is 7, and we have also found the answer 7. So definitely it matches. So we have done it correctly. If you want to see steps, then you have to click on this show steps button. Then definitely step-by-step solution will be displayed, and here is the final answer. So I hope you would like this. So I hope you got the concept what I am trying to deliver. So if you like this video, please hit the like button below, comment on this video, give the feedback so that we can improve upon the quality and the content of the solutions and the questions that we are providing. And please share it with your friends so that they can also learn the basic concepts and give proper feedback. And in the end, if you want to ask any other doubt, then visit my website, that is link is given below in the description, and you can also ask your doubt by posting them in the comment box below. Thank you very much.